remove front screw and back screw. Step 2, snip the servo wire. Snip the zip ties off of it. We'll send you some new zip ties, and snip the zip tie down there. You'll trace the wire that you snipped coming in from the servo lead to the adapter or to the plug right here. So you see it's coming through the port, and unplug that. That's where your new servo is gonna plug into. Make sure orange lines up with orange, black lines up with black. Power is gonna be in the middle. Pull the screw out of the spline of the servo, just like that. And then don't be gentle here. Right here, once you remove this screw of the servo and the one on the back edge of the servo, and the zip tie right here, which you should have already snipped. Once you do that, you can force the servo and the spline. You can watch it separate. See how it separates? So you gotta pull on that real hard, and it will actually pop out of there, just like that. And then you'll be able, with these screws off, you'll be able to slide that servo out and slide your new one in. Once your new servo is in, don't put the screw in yet. You'll run your new wire and just wrap it around the existing coil all the way through and plug into that plug I showed you earlier in the video. Then you'll turn on the remote. You'll kind of slip this joint off and you'll turn it on, and what it will do, it will center the servo, and then you'll put it into the spline so it's nice and level while your stick is in the middle position. So you'll have your servo spline slipped out of the splines. You'll turn the baud on along with the radio, put the stick in the middle position, and then you'll center the servo and then let it slip into the spline. And now you'll have down and up. Now if you don't have enough up, you can actually pull it away again and tilt the servo back to get it right to the right up position you want. So now you'll see, now you have the correct positioning. So you have to play with the spline a little bit. Run the self tappers back into the body that we gave you, and you'll be good to go.